Alright, so first step, you're gonna go ahead and take this off. You're just gonna need a Phillips screwdriver. It don't matter, you know, what size it is. Well, actually, no, it does. Sorry. But you're just gonna go ahead and unscrew these two bolts, or these two screws, sorry. Make sure you put them in a place where you won't lose them, because if you do, right, every pothole. You're just gonna go ahead and yank it out like that. Here are your two main light bulbs for the light. In this particular reason, her bottom one works, is the top one that doesn't work. So you're just gonna go ahead and unscrew it like that. Go ahead and it easily comes off like that. I'm gonna go ahead and open your new lights. Get your light, put it in. It's gonna click like that. Then you're gonna screw it back in. Now go ahead and go turn it on. Or not turn it on, but just, no, you don't even need the key. You just press the brake. You're gonna press the brake. Press it.
I am pressing it.
Press it hard.
I am.
Hard.
I did.
Press it again. For real, you need the key?
Yeah.
Okay, I guess. Just turn it on and then press the brake. There you go. You see both of the lights work. Okay, you can turn it off. Alright, so that's basically going to be it for this video, guys. All you got to do now is just basically screw it back in, and that's going to be it. You on your way. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one, man. Peace out.